Children, let us continue the chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Now let us continue the exercise 5 of that chapter. The fifth question of the exercise: show that 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x equals 3x minus 7 whole square. Here we have to show that 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x equals 3x minus 7 whole square. Now to find the expansion of 3x plus 7 whole square, here you consider the LHS or consider 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x. 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x. By using the identity a plus b the whole square, expand 3x plus 7 whole square. You know that a plus b whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then 3x plus 7 whole square is 3x plus 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into 7 plus 7 square minus, you write 84x as it is. Then that equals 3x whole square is 9x square plus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 42x plus 7 square minus 84x. Now you will get 4x square plus 42x minus 84x is minus 42x. You will get, because these two are like terms, and you can subtract 84 minus 84 and plus 84, that is 84 is greater than the 42. So 84 minus 42 is 42, and the greater number 84 is having negative sign. So you write this is minus 42x plus 7 square. Again it becomes 9x square it is. This becomes 3x whole square minus 2 into 3x into 7 plus 7 square you got. Here 9x square minus 42x plus 7 square is equals to what? 3x whole square minus 2 into 3x into 7 plus 7 square. And you know that it is the expansion of 3x minus 7 whole square. 3x minus 7 whole square is what? 3x whole square minus 2 into 3x into 7 plus 7 square. So you will get it is equals to what? 3x minus 7 whole square. 3x minus 7 whole square. Therefore you can write that, but you can write 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x equals 3x minus 7 whole square. Next one you take the second one. What is that second one? Show that 9p minus 5q whole square plus 180pq equals 9p plus 5q whole square. And by using the identity a minus b the whole square, expand 9p minus 5q whole square. You know that a minus b whole square equals what? A square minus 2ab plus b square, and 9 minus 5 whole square you write. You consider first LHS. Consider 9p minus 5q whole square plus 180 pq. Then write the expansion of this and write it as it is. So what is the expansion of 9p minus 5q whole square? Square of the first term 9p whole square minus 2ab 2 into 9p into 5q plus 5q whole square plus 180 pq. That equals, you can write it as it is. Further it is needed 9p whole square minus the product of these 3. 2 9s are 18, 18 5s are 90. 90 pq plus 5q whole square plus 180 pq. Then you write 9p whole square as it is minus, here you observe here, minus 90 pq plus 180 pq. They are like terms and you can subtract 90 by 180. 180 minus 90 is 90. So you write 90 pq plus 5q whole square. This whole is equals to this one. Now, and it is 9p whole square minus 90 pq is 2 into 9p into 5q. 5q plus 5q whole square, write it as it is. And you got that this in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, and it is the expansion of a minus b whole square. So you will get a is 9p minus b is 5p. Here we have to write minus, as 2ab is minus whole square, because you write, because 9p whole square minus 2 into 9p into 5q plus 5q whole square equals what? 9p minus 5q, 9p minus 5q whole square. Therefore you write, therefore 9p minus 5q whole square plus 180 pq equals 9p plus 5q whole square. Next you take the third one, 4 by 3m minus 3 by 4n whole square plus 2mn equals 16 by 9 m square plus 9 by 16 n square. 9 by 16 n square. Now you write the expansion of 4 by 3m minus 3 by 4 n whole square by using the right identity a minus b the whole square. Now you write the LHS, consider the LHS. So you write, consider 4 by 3 m minus 3 by 4 n whole square plus 2mn equals. So use the identity a minus b the whole square. It is a square means square of the first term 4 by 3m whole square minus 2 into a into b minus 2 into 4 by 3 into m and 3 by 4 into n plus 3 by 4n whole square plus 2mn. That equals 4 by 3 m whole square is 16 by 9 m square, or otherwise you can write it as it is, but here what you have to prove, 16 by 9 m square plus 9 by 16 m square, so you can expand it. So 4 by 3 m whole square is 16 by 9 m square. Now here 3 cancels, 4 also cancels as they are in the numerator and denominator. So you can cancel the same terms, same numbers in the numerator and denominator. Then what is remaining here? Only 2n minus 2n plus, then what is the expansion of, what is 3 by 4 n whole square? 3 by 4 n whole square is 9 by 16 n square plus 2mn. It is also mn. Here it is m into n is minus 2 mn, you must write, because here m is there, n is there. 2 into m into n is 2mn. Then you can observe that this minus 2mn and plus 2mn cancels. What is remaining? 16 by 9 m square plus 9 by 16 n square. Therefore you write, therefore 4 by 3 m minus 3 by 4 n whole square plus 2mn equals 16 by 9 m square plus 9 by 16 n square. So you proved that 4 by 3m minus 3n by 4 whole square plus 2mn equals 16 by 9 m square plus 9 by 16 n square. Then you take the fourth one, 4pq plus 3q whole square minus 4pq minus 3q whole square equals 48pq square. That you have to prove here. Now you prove that 4pq plus 3q whole square minus 4pq minus 3q whole square equals 48pq square. 48pq square. So you take LHS here. Consider 4pq plus 3q whole square minus 4pq minus 3q whole square. Here by using the identity a plus b the whole square you expand it, and by using the identity a minus b the whole square you expand it, or otherwise considering this is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square. A square is 4p plus q 3q whole square. B square is 4pq minus 3q whole square. You know that a square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b. That also you can use simply. That is 4pq plus 3q whole square minus 4pq minus 3q whole square equals this plus this one factor. A plus b means 4pq plus 3q plus 4pq minus 3q. A plus b is over. Next you take 4pq plus 3q minus 4pq minus 3q. Then you write 4 plus 4pq plus 4pq becomes 8 PQ, and 3Q and minus 3Q cancels. So the remaining is here. These two are like terms. You can add them as they are having the same sign. Into, open the bracket here, 4PQ plus 3Q minus 4PQ plus 3Q. Here bracket is open means it becomes minus 4PQ and minus into minus plus 3Q. That equals 8PQ plus 4PQ minus 4PQ becomes cancel. 3Q plus 3Q, that is 6Q. 6Q. So we will get 8 6 48 P Q into Q square. Therefore you write, therefore 4PQ plus 3Q whole square minus 4PQ minus 3Q whole square equals 48PQ square. Now you take the fifth question of the fifth main, that is prove that A minus B into A plus B plus B minus C into B plus C plus C minus A into C plus A equals 0. Now you consider A minus B into A plus B plus B minus C into B plus C plus C minus A into C plus A. Here the product of A minus B into A plus B, you know the identity, A square minus B square is A minus B into A plus B. So you can write the product of A minus B and A plus B is A square minus B square plus B minus C into B plus C. See here, B minus C into B plus C. First terms are same, second terms are there, and sum and the difference here. Again you will get here B square minus C square plus C minus A into C plus A is C square minus A square. Then that equals here A square and A square you can cancel, minus B square plus B square you can cancel, minus C square plus C square you can cancel, that equals 0. So you can write that therefore A minus B into A plus B plus B minus C into B plus C plus C minus A into C plus A equals 0. Equals 0.